My sweet potatoes that I received from my mother's neighbor from last season is still looking good. They have a lot of slips growing on them. Look at that, look at that. Put these in here around in November and they still looking good. I pulled some of the slips off of the sweet potatoes, and look at the leaves are growing on them already. Put them in some water here so some roots can grow on them. Look at all of those roots. Now I'm getting ready to go and put them out in the yard. I know I'm kind of late with putting my sweet potato slips in the ground, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it now and see if anything's gonna grow. Okay, I'm getting ready to get this bed together here. I know I'm late getting my sweet potato slips out, but I'm gonna go ahead because I heard that we're gonna still have a lot of hot weather up until maybe December. So I think I have enough time to plant these sweet potato slips. I think they said it take 85 to 90 days from sowing them to harvest. So I'm gonna see, I should have enough time to maybe get me some sweet potatoes to grow in here. So I'm gonna clean out this bed, top dress it, and with some fertilizer, move these squash plants out and put my sweet potatoes over here. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some regular potatoes. Okay, I want to go ahead and plant my sweet potato slips. Look at all of those nice roots that grew in that water. I had pulled these off of my sweet potato slips that I had got last season. They look pretty good. Had them in the water for about a week. So now let me spread them out here in this garden bed here and watch them grow. Okay, I have about 13 sweet potato slips that I spread out in this garden bed. I'm gonna come back later and top it off with some more soil as I see the sweet potatoes coming up. I'm gonna go ahead and water these in a little bit more and wait and watch them grow.